Hey guys, just wanted to show you where my stairs are going. As you can see, I have started a opening here. But as you can see, there's an issue. You see that LB? That goes out to the electrical service on the other side of the wall. And then if we come to this side of the wall, there's the electrical panel. So it is in the way of where the stairs are going to go. So we have a plan because I'm redoing the electrical service, moving the electrical panel, and stairs are going to go in here. So showing you what's going on. Anyone that is not familiar with floor joist code, you're supposed to do a double floor joist. You put them, two floor joists together on your openings for structural purposes. So right there's actually two 2x8s sandwiched together. And because this right here below us is there's actually a structural beam. So because there's a structural beam, I don't need to do any 2x8s here because the beginning of the stairs is right where the structural beam is. But we're gonna do once this is all removed, we're gonna do two 2x8s right here on the other side of the hole. Let me know what you think, and thanks for taking a look at the house project.